If you are really excited to download this black business card mockup, then this video is especially made for you. So be cool. I'm gonna share the link and the password with you. So before that, let me show you my flat design. So this is the flat design I made. When I applied my design to this mockup, I got the final result. Now let me walk you through how you can download this mockup file. Just scroll down this video and go to the description. At the top of the description, you will see mockup download link. So click over that link. When you click over the link, you will be redirected to this page. So I am pasting that link here, and you will see this page, and here you need to enter the password and then you need to submit it here. So what is the password? Let me share the password with you. You need to exactly enter this password to unlock this download link. GI920C. Remember, the text should be in block letter and click on submit. So here you can see we got download link. So just click over this link and here you can see the file is ready for download. So here is the download option. Just click over it. When you click over this, a new window will open like this, and then it close it, and here you can see our file is downloading now. Now let me show you how you can apply this mockup. Now open our PNG transparent business card images that we saved in desktop and OK. Now click over mockup file, double click here and drag our images over mockup file. Now drag our image and fill the complete page by using shift key. Unmark those background, close it, yes, and you can check it here. Similarly for next one also, double click and drag our next image and fill the mockup page by dragging and pressing shift key. Mark it, unmark the background, close it, yes, and now you can check the complete mockup. Hope you like this tutorial. You can subscribe us and share this video. Thank you for watching.